Hi, everybody, along with Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cebulski. Welcome to St. Louis, Missouri. Puck drop just moments away here. They have a chance to close things out. Does that relax them at all?
No, I don't think so. I think you feel more urgency. You want to get this over as fast as you can.
Enough talk, enough hype. Let's do this. Your first period is set to go. You can feel the intensity of this one. Total playoff atmosphere. We're underway. Gaining momentum in the offensive end. The Avs take possession here in the open ice. Taken by McKinnon. Gets it to the other point. Denies him. He got all of it. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. Still scoreless in this one. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. St. Louis gains a hold of it. Through the neutral zone and along the boards, here they come. The Avs gain possession. Here they come inside the neutral zone. Shot denied by the goaltender. Parayko's taking it from his own end. Here's a short pass to O'Reilly. Puts it in deep. Colorado's got it from behind the net. And that's deflected. Couldn't complete the pass. Wow, did you get the speed gun out for that one there, Ray?
Nah, I didn't get it out in time, and that's a heck of an effort by him to go all that way to keep the play alive. No icing there.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Up to the challenge as he gets his pad on it. Takes a shot, and there's another stop. St. Louis has it in the defensive end. On the attack along the boards. The Avs gain possession along the wall. And that one's stopped.
Kemper's confidence had to be shaken after that blowout loss in the last game. But the playoffs are about the game today, and that's a good start.
Quick pass to Johnson. Here's a blast. After that stop, puck goes out of play. We got a face-off looming. Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. Still no score in this one. The Blues win it in the defensive zone. And now he moves it to Perron. The Blues will play it in their own end. St. Louis gets a hold of it. Scandella's got it into offensive territory. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Can't connect on the pass. Folks got it in the offensive zone. And that's a great read to force the turnover. Here's a chance. Stopped by Husso. From the opposite point. There's another stop. In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. Just here in the late stages of this frame, we've still got zeros on the board. Schenns won it off the faceoff. The Blues will play it from the defensive zone. Quick feed to Kyrou. Colorado's got possession of the puck. Moves it to Comper. Here's a shot. Shucks him down. That pass doesn't go. Grabbed along the boards by Girard. Moves it quickly over to McDermott. Gaining steam here on the attack. Perron's got it in the defensive end. Schenns got it along the boards. Moves the puck over to Perron. Here's a shot. Denies him on the play. Directs it on over to McDermott. Here he big save just as time runs out. That concludes the first period. Really, both teams still filling each other out here as we are still scoreless. Second period still to come. We'll take a quick pause and be right back with more action. second period set to get underway. Still no score in this one. We'll see if period number 2 finds ourselves a goal. Well, we've got over 20 minutes played thus far. Ray, how have you seen things? All alone! Oh, what a save!
Really good effort. I thought he made a good play on the net, but the goaltender's right on top of it.
Colorado's got the puck in the defensive end. Lets it fly! Oh, an unbelievable stop by Husso. Now a quick pass to Taves. Oh, how did he get a glove on that? What a stop by Husso. Parayko's lugging the puck. Through center along the wing. And skilled use of the stick to poke the puck away. The Blues look to start the transition game. From center they get into the attacking area. Here's a chance. Turned aside with that glove by Kemper. And now he tries to get it across to Nichushkin. Here we go, one-man rush. To his teammate. And puts it right over the crossbar.
That's a little bit of panic. The puck is on his stick. He's in the middle of the ice, and he misses the net.
From the point, looks to make something happen. The Avalanche have taken possession along the wall. Kadri's carrying it ahead. Shot! Great save by Husso. Husso's gonna hang on for a whistle.
Kemper's positioning allows him to stay up long enough to get the glove in a good place to make the save.
More than half the period left to play. The game is still scoreless. Shen's won it in their own end. Scandella's moving the puck through his own zone. The Blues carried along the wall. The Avs have it now. And just a good old-fashioned solid body check on the play. Dished on over to Shen. Here's a short pass to Kyrou. Takes the feed. And that carries off a stick. Along the boards, they battle for the puck back and forth. Goes right to the crease. Stopped by the goaltender.
I thought they worked the puck around pretty good. Here they get a good chance on goal, but not to be.
That's turned away with the pad by Husso.
Husso's play has been outstanding tonight. From the time the puck hit the ice, he's been locked in. Great save percentage, and he's a reason they're close in this game.
Wicked slap shot. That's blocked. Angles it over to Folk. Takes the feed. Slides it to Perron. And now he angles it across to Barbashev. He got all of that one.
Yeah, and it was that guy who's picking himself and his stick up off the ice.
And the intensity's starting to ramp up here after that hit. He was locked in there. O'Connor's got it through the neutral zone. Shoots it, and he comes up with it. And now it's grabbed by Comfort. Carrying the puck deep inside his own end. The Blues take it across the blue line. The Avs have it now. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. And as the second period comes to an end, what can you say? This has been all about the goalies tonight. Still scoreless. And we'll be right back for what should be a very intriguing third. Welcome back, everyone. Both teams lined up at center ice, and we are ready to get this third period underway. The Blues win the faceoff. Takes the pass. And that doesn't exactly go tape to tape. Rantanen's got it against the boards. Scores! And a big one at that!
Finally, somebody gets on the board here. The goal is in the last half of the game. You've got a lead, and now you try and defend it. He's got such confidence to make this play. Not all players have that. You'd think they would at this level, but that's not the case. He dangles his way, walks his way around a couple of defenders, and then makes a couple of plays here that lead to the goal.
with his superstar ability, he was able to set up that goal for his team, guys, and that's just a great example of how he can contribute to their success.
Puck picked up by Krug. Quick pass to Bushnevich. Puts it on net. The Avalanche have the puck in their own end. Sends it over to Rantanen. Here he is in close. He scores! That's Mikko Rantanen!
You can see the goaltender's looking a little frustrated here. He got a little piece of this shot. Not enough. It goes into the net.
He made stick handling look so easy on that play, guys. His puck on a string superstar ability means he can make a few moves, and it led to that great goal.
Quick feed to Taves. Looking to make something happen along the boards. On the backhand. Oh, and it stays out. I think he made a toe save on that one.
No room for the shooter. The goaltender snuffed it out.
Moves it to Rantanen. Feeds it to McKinnon. He's got a step. Big scores! What a finish!
Yeah, once he gets into the clear, it's like he's so decisive on what he wants, and he puts it away for the goal. The accuracy of this play is the thing for me here, James. Look at this tape-to-tape puck work. Pass on the stick, move quickly, and now it's in the back of the net.
We know this guy is such a great playmaker, always keeping an eye out for his teammates. They love getting open for him, and that right there was how he used his tape-to-tape zone ability to help get them on the board here.
Trying to engage a little physicality here. Puck grab by McCarr. Unleashes a cannon. Scooped up along the wall by McCarr. And he makes the save.
Really good save. Control the rebound. Get it into the corner where you can reestablish yourself.
It's a shooting gallery. Scores! That's 3.
I had 9 of these, James. It is such a cool thing to score 3. You feel so good about yourself. Oh, the defensive team is dog-tired. Their tongues are hanging out of their mouth here. They just got outworked onto the puck, and eventually they give up the goal.
The Avalanche have extended this lead. In these moments, do you want run time and just, you know you've got it in the bag, or do you want to continue to pour it on here, Ray?
No, I think everybody wants one more cookie.
Oh. And the lane's clogged up, blocking that. Enters the offensive zone from the left. Here he is in front.
Wow.
Scores!
That's a scorer's goal right there. That puck is on and off his stick in a hurry. He's so tight to the net, he has to get rid of it before the goalie can readjust.
St. Louis is going to make a change in goal.
You ever wonder in a blowout why the goalie leaving skates way faster than the guy coming in?
Colorado's all too aware there's no mercy rule in hockey. They continue to apply the pressure.
No, they're laying a beating on these guys now. It may be time to lay back just a bit.
Moves it quickly over to Nichushkin. Through the middle of the ice, they enter the attacking zone. Oh, and somehow he gets a sliver of it and keeps them at bay. Here's a short pass to Bushnevich. The Blues take it across the line. Handles the puck at the point. Oh, he keeps it out with a great reactionary stop with the toe. Pokes it away in his own end. That's kicked away with the pad. They score! Johnny on the spot. He tucks in the rebound.
think this goalie's going to look up at the clock and see just exactly how much time is melted away. It's going from bad to worse for these guys.
Colorado's lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
Tarasenko's going to play it against the half wall. Denies him with the pad. Takes the feed from the wing. With possession along the wall. Here he is on the backhand. His reflexes on display tonight. Sends it deep inside the offensive zone. O'Connor's gaining momentum. Here he is with the backhander. Scores! What a shot!
Really tough for the goalie to read where the heck this thing's going. I'm looking at the shot. I can't tell where it's going, but the backhander beats the goaltender.
The Avs have been all over them tonight, and it continues here in this third.
They haven't taken their foot off the accelerator for 1 second tonight. I've been really impressed how they've dominated this game.
And he takes a shot. Big time stop there. And now it's over to Girard. And that's blocked away. Handles the puck. Off a stick. Gets in front of it. Puck scooped up by Kyrou. Under a minute to go in the third. Big save. The Blues gain control of the puck. Oh, another consecutive stop.
Quick reflexes and good positioning to make a couple of stops in a row.
And the goaltender comes up with a piece of it to keep it out of the net. Nice pass. Battling for it along the boards. The Avs gain control of the puck against the wall. Find some space in the corner. The Blues take possession in the defensive end. Sends the pass over. The Blues play it along the wing. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Crew. Turn that one aside.
That is sweeping up the trash there. Good save. Off to the corner. Everybody can readjust.
Rips it. And he gets... Scores! They came, they saw, they took advantage of the rebound and scored.
Followed through to the net. He picks up this rebound, makes no mistake. Once the goalie leaves the puck in front of the net, the goalie's at your mercy, and he does not miss.
Puck possession so critical. Another face-off coming up here. And that's all she wrote for this series. Well, that'll do it for that round, but still a long way to go here.
Yeah, but you can't get to the next round until you get through this one. But they'll be pleased tonight. They can enjoy this victory and then move on to preparation for the next series.
Still a very, very impressive performance to be able to pull this one off. Two sets of Warriors lining up. These guys pushed each other.
Exhausted, tired. At the end of any long-frame series, you are gassed. But one team gets to enjoy this line a lot more than the other.
And that's all she wrote on this one for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cebulski. We'll see you next time here on EA Sports.